নমস্কার, আমার নাম নবনীতা। দুর্গাপুজোর অনেক প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা জানাই আপনাদের সবাইকে। আমার চ্যানেল ফুডিজ প্যাডে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। পেট পুজো ছাড়া পুজো ভাইবস ইনকমপ্লিট, তাই না? এবার যদিও সবকিছু আলাদা, কিন্তু তারই মধ্যে আমরা আনন্দ খুঁজে নিয়েছি। Today's recipe is special and legendary. It is one of the most coveted dishes that instantly teleports me to my city, Kolkata. I dared to give my own spin to this signature dish and made it a part of Durga Puja special because of the forgiving nature of the people, especially Kolkatans, during the time of festivity. Presenting smoked chicken biryani.
Heavily influenced by Awadhi style biryani, Kolkata biryani is subtle, fragrant, and mildly spicy. Chicken pieces marinated in a medley of spices, aromatics, and yogurt, smoked with charcoal, cooked with basmati rice and well seasoned potatoes. Equally popular as the chicken pieces is a complete dish on its own. I hope that you will like my take on such a signature dish. Please check the description box for the list of ingredients to make biryani masala. If you are on a clock, you can use store-bought ones. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. This extra step will take this dish a notch higher. You can use yellow food color if you want. Instead of frying, you can also boil the potatoes with a pinch of color and salt. Cooking the potatoes in milk gives a creamy texture and cuts it like butter. Marinate the chicken in 2 steps. In the first step, coat the chicken pieces with an array of spices and let it rest for a short time. The second step involves smoking the chicken with a piece of charcoal and adding khoya to the marinade, giving another dimension without compromising the sanctity of the dish. For a detailed video on making birista, please refer to my past video, namely Aman chicken curry. You can use store-bought ones to save time. This step is crucial. Please ensure that the chicken pieces are fully cooked. Set a cup of yakni aside for later use. This will ensure longer and fluffier rice grains. Aromatics play an important role in Kolkata style biryani. Use sparingly for optimal flavor. Another pivotal step is to cook the rice right. Adding potli into the water while cooking the rice makes it extra fragrant and delicious. Once it is cooked, strain and set it aside. This step needs to be done quickly and sequentially. Keep everything ready and place in orderly manner. Set the potatoes in the center to keep the shape intact. Smoked chicken adds a distinct flavor and character that enhances its overall taste and complements the biryani rice beautifully. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Patience is a virtue, but when it comes to biryani, after making such elaborate preparations, you just want to dig in and taste the fruit of your labor. I have fond memories of feasting on biryani sincerely and with equal vigor every time I could lay my hands on a box of goodness from Arsalan or Kareem's, leaving the biryani file in me speechless in awe. Whenever I visit Kolkata, it is always on my top 5 food list. This homemade version is the closest that I can have when my heart yearns for a plate full of deliciousness. Shubho Pujo, Happy Pujo. May Ma gives you hope and strength to face the oddities in such trying times. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.